What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is CraftsByAliyah. Today you're gonna need some yarn. I use cotton yarn in this tutorial, some scissors, a 2.25 millimeter hook, and a 5mm hook. And the stitches you're gonna need to know for this tutorial is a double crochet and a single crochet. That's it. Alright, so the yarn that we're going to be using today is I Love This Cotton. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of that, but you guys can pause the video, and I'll have everything in the description below. So you're going to grab your 2.25 millimeter hook and chain up a chain of 22 chains. So yeah, 22 chains. Alright, and then you're going to put a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and those first 3 chains count as your first double crochet. So you put a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and then you're going to continue double crocheting all the way down for a total of 20 double crochets. Alright, so that was row number 1. And so now you're going to chain up a chain of 3 and then turn your work. And for row number 2, you're going to put a, you're going to decrease. So chain up 3, turn your work, and then the next 2 stitches you're going to decrease. And then you're going to continue double crocheting at regular all the way down. So for the next 5 rows, row 2 to 6, you're going to chain 3, turn your work, and decrease in the beginning of your row. So for the for the rows 2 to 6, you're only going to decrease by 1 each row, if that makes sense. I messed up. So I'm just showing you my decrease. Just like that. And then continue finishing the row per usual. And then after you do rows 2 to 6, decreasing by 1, the next 5 rows after that, rows 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, you're going to decrease in the beginning of your work and at the end of your work. So this is what I'm showing you right now. When you come up on the last 3 stitches, you do the next 2 together, just like this, double crochet 2 together, and then do a regular double crochet in the last stitch. I don't like, you could decrease on the last stitch, but I just don't like to do that for most of my work. Alright, so now we're getting down to the crotch area, and you're just gonna do a regular row of double crochet. And this is the next part I'm going to show you is if you're going to do a thong. If you want to do a, what am I saying? If you want to do the regular bottom and you don't care for the thong, I'm going to put in the description where you could skip ahead and just go straight to the regular bikini bottom and not the thong. So for 4 rows, you're going to do 6 double crochet, regular, no increase, no decrease for the crotch, and then we're starting the thong part. So you're going to chain up 3, turn your work, and then decrease by 2. So you go from 6 to 4 stitches. So I decreased and I chained up 3, turned my work, double crochet 2 together, double crochet 2 together, and then a regular double crochet, and then I chained up 3, turned my work, and then for the next I think I did 12 rows. The next 12 rows, you're just going to do 4 double crochet, rows of 4 double crochet, and this is creating the thong. And then now we're at the top of the thong. When I get to the top, I like to flare it out a little, so I increase by 2. So I chain 3, turn my work, put a double crochet in that same stitch, and then double crochet across, and when I get to the last stitch, I put 2 again, so I increase by 2. I'm going to put everything in the description below if you guys get confused. It's actually really simple how I did it. And then on the last row, I do the same exact thing. I chain up 3, put a double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet across, and then put 2 double crochet in the last stitch. And I'm gonna tell you guys where to skip ahead to finish off this piece. But if you want to stick around, we're gonna learn how to do the regular bikini bottom in a second. So this is the base of the thong. If you're trying to make just a thong, this is what it should look like. Okay, so now we're gonna do this alternative bottom, which is like a regular bottom, and we're on row number 16. So we went all the way back to the end of the crotch, and now it's really easy. We're just going to be increasing in the beginning and at the end. So chain up 3, turn your work, put a double crochet right there, then do double crochet all the way down, and then on the last stitch you're going to put 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So you're increasing by 2 for each row for the next 13 rows, or you can do you know, make it to fit your body. These are in a size small, I would say. So the next 13 rows I increase by 2 each row in the beginning of my work and at the end of my work. Just like this. Oops. Sometimes it's tricky at the end, but we gonna work through it. I was trying to say another word, but okay, so this is what it should look like. And now if you did the thong, or if you did this version, this is where you're going to continue so you can finish it off. I'm going to do a border of single crochet around the entire body of my work. Oops. So on the sides of the double crochets, you're going to put 2 single crochets in each double crochet space on the sides. So working all the way around, we're going to put single crochets. And now we're moving on to the straps. You're going to grab your 5.0 millimeter hook, and right on the side here, just right in that entire space, we're going to add the yarn, and it's going to be double stranded, just like this. And you're going to pull up a strand long enough for you to do 50 chains. So each strap will be 50 chains, double stranded. Just like this. And then I'm going to show you where to put the rest of the straps. And make sure you tuck in your ends and sew in your ends, or however you like to do it. But this, I'm just showing you where to put the other straps. So you're going to do the same thing. Chain up a chain of 50 in these double crochet spaces. And I'm all finished. So yes, this is how you do 2 different kinds of bikini bottoms. 2 alternative ways. A thong and a regular way. And I didn't finish the thong. I just ripped my work back and then did the regular bikini bottom. But excuse that. But excuse my horrible filming. But this is what it should look like. This is the back. I hope you guys really enjoy my tutorial. Make sure you comment down below, like this video, share this video. Check out my Instagram at CraftsByAliyah. Check out my online shop, depop.com, CraftsByAliyah. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.